Welcome back to the channel that brings you the most unique, compact, and jaw-dropping camper tricycles on the planet. If you're passionate about tiny living, adventurous travel, and futuristic design, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Today, we're diving into a fresh release for 2026 that's already making waves among eco-travelers and micro-camping enthusiasts, the all-new Eco Wanderer camper tricycle. Designed with sustainability, simplicity, and off-grid freedom in mind, this three-wheeled wonder could be the perfect fusion of green living and go-anywhere practicality. At first glance, the Eco Wanderer looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek lines, a compact frame, and a surprisingly spacious living module in the rear make it stand out from the crowd. But this isn't just about looks. Every inch of the Eco Wanderer has a purpose. Built on a reinforced lightweight aluminum chassis, this camper trike weighs just under 180 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver through narrow city streets or tight forest trails. One of the standout features of the 2026 Eco Wanderer is its fully electric drivetrain. Powered by a high-efficiency 1.5 kilowatts rear hub motor and a 60-volt lithium-ion battery pack, this trike offers a top speed of 45 km per hour and a maximum range of 80 km on a single charge. That might not sound like much to a traditional RV owner, but in the world of micro-campers, that's more than enough for daily travel and spontaneous adventures. Charging is incredibly simple. The Eco Wanderer comes with a roof-mounted 300-watt solar panel that trickle charges the battery throughout the day, perfect for off-grid living. It also includes a standard wall charger that can juice up the battery fully in just 4 hours from any regular outlet. Whether you're camping in the wild or parking at a friend's backyard, you're always ready to roll. The camper unit in the back is where things get really exciting. It's designed for one person in full comfort or two people if you're willing to get cozy. Inside, there's a convertible sleeping platform that transforms into a lounge seat during the day. Underneath, there's clever storage for clothes, tools, or cooking gear. The interior walls are insulated with eco-friendly hemp fiber panels that keep things cool in the summer and warm during chilly nights. You'll also find a compact kitchenette equipped with a single-burner induction stove, a sink with a 10-liter freshwater tank, and a collapsible countertop extension. There's even a built-in 12V fridge drawer under the seat. Yes, that's right, cold drinks and fresh food, wherever you go. On the other side, there's a fold-out table and a wall-mounted tablet for media, maps, or managing solar output and battery status. Connectivity-wise, the Eco Wanderer includes a built-in GPS system and optional 4G LTE hotspot module, so you can stay connected even while exploring the middle of nowhere. The rear doors open wide for airflow and easy access, and an awning can be extended to create a shaded outdoor area. Optional tent extensions can be attached to either side, effectively doubling your living space, a brilliant solution for longer trips. What about hygiene, you ask? The Eco Wanderer includes a slide-out portable toilet tucked under the rear compartment, and a solar-heated outdoor shower system that clips onto the back. It's not luxury in the traditional sense, but for minimalists and eco-conscious travelers, it's got all the essentials covered. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The Eco Wanderer includes front and rear disc brakes, turn signals, headlights, and a rear-view camera with a dash display. It's also equipped with a smart locking system and GPS tracking, giving you peace of mind when leaving it parked overnight in the wild or the city. Another clever touch? The entire unit can be towed using a standard bicycle or e-bike thanks to its modular tow hitch. That means if the trike battery runs out or you want to go fully pedal-powered, you still have options. And speaking of modularity, you can even detach the living pod and use it as a standalone shelter. For those wondering about customization, the Eco Wanderer is available in 3 color themes: forest green, desert sand, and urban slate. You can also choose from several upgrade packages, including an extra solar panel, an upgraded battery pack for up to 120 kilometers of range, and even a wind turbine kit for extreme off-grid setups. In terms of pricing, the base model starts at around $6,800, which is surprisingly affordable considering the features packed into this lightweight microcamper. With upgrades, you're looking at closer to $8,500, still far below the cost of even the most budget-friendly van conversions. This camper trike isn't about luxury in the traditional sense, it's about freedom. It's about waking up to the sound of birds in the forest, cooking your own meals with solar power, and exploring the world without burning fossil fuels. The Eco Wanderer is for those who want to disconnect, live minimally, and embrace the journey one pedal or charge at a time. So, whether you're a full-time nomad, a weekend adventurer, or someone dreaming of their first micro-camping experience, the 2026 Eco Wanderer Camper Tricycle is a serious contender in the world of sustainable travel. Its blend of mobility, functionality, and environmental consciousness makes it a standout choice in the growing landscape of compact off-grid vehicles. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the latest camper trikes, electric nomad gear, and off-grid innovations, be sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and share it with a fellow traveler. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel where the road is tiny, but the adventure is massive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.